Hello, welcome to my video for AP Calculus. This is for the trapezoid rule, and you can see the problem statement here. Use the trapezoid rule with four partitions to estimate the value of the following integral. It's the integral from 1 to 5 of 1/4 x squared dx. And so what we can do is start off with a graph of what the region we're looking at. And you can see I already have this graph done, saved us a little bit of time. And we want to break that up into four different partitions, starting at 1 and ending at 5. So you can see if we start at 1 and end at 5, that gives us four partitions, just spacing each one. So then we'll draw the tops of our trapezoids. And you see what we have is trapezoids basically on their side. Remember, the area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. In this case, the height is going to be 1 because that's the distance between these, since these are on their side. And base 1 of the first trapezoid would be right here at f of 1. And then the second height, base 2, is f of 2. So for that trapezoid, it would be f of 1 plus f of 2 divided by 2 times the height. And you can see each one of these is going to have a divided by 2 and a height. So we can put this into one formula, and we're going to have 1 over 2. Again, that's the height divided by 2, h over 2. And we have 1 of this first base, which is f of 1. And then we have 2 of f of 2. And then 2 of f of 3. 2 of f of 4, and only 1 of f of 5. All right, let me explain that again. So when you calculate the area of this first trapezoid here, little trapezoid 1, you use this plus this divided by 2 times the height. Then when we calculate the area of trapezoid 2 right here, you're going to use f of 2 plus f of 3 divided by 2 times the height. So f of 2 got used for this trapezoid and this trapezoid. Likewise, f of 3 will be used for trapezoid 2 and trapezoid 3, and then f of 4 will be used for trapezoid 3 and trapezoid 4. And then f of 5 only is going to be used for the right-hand fourth trapezoid. So let's go ahead and calculate these. Each one of these is fairly easy to calculate. The formula, our f of x, is simply the 1/2 x squared. So the first one, that's just 1 squared over 4, which is 1/4. Plus 2 times 2 squared is 4 divided by 4. Plus the next one is 3 squared, which is 9 divided by 4. 4 squared, which is 16 divided by 4. Plus 5 squared, I forgot to multiply that one by 2, bring that 2 down. 5 squared is 25, and then over 4 again. All right. Now there's lots of different ways of doing this. I'm actually going to go ahead and distribute my 1/2 through. That'll give me 1/8 plus 4/4 plus 18/4. I'm sorry, plus 9/4 plus 16/4 plus 25/4. All right, and if we just piece these together nicely, actually that's not 25/4. Let me fix that. I forgot to multiply that by 1/2. So that would be 25/8. All right, well, if we put the fourths together, 4 plus 16 is 20, plus that is 29/4. And then this ends up being 1/8 plus 25/8. Move things down a little bit. All right, so if we put the eighths together, that is 28/8. 26/8. Boy, I keep misspeaking. So 26/8 plus that would be 58. over 8. And add those together, that is 84 over 8, which ends up going in 10 times with 1/2 left over. So that is 10 and 1/2. So our estimate for this is that this integral up here is approximately equal to 10 and 1/2. And remember, if you were asked, this would be an overestimate because the tops of our trapezoids were above the curve that is concave up. Remember, for determining whether a trapezoid is an under or overestimate, you need to look at the concavity of the curve. Thank you for listening. I hope this has been helpful for you.